What's up, Gunner? Say good morning, buddy. Say good morning, buddy. What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. I think we're running on about 3 hours of sleep right now. Today's gonna be crazy hectic. Almost as crazy hectic as yesterday, maybe even more, because we've got essentially 3 hours to finish the playground that we were building yesterday today before they do a big reveal to all the kids. So it's gonna be crazy, but let's get right on into it. All right, guys, well, you can see already making a lot of progress this morning. A lot of the grading's getting done in the back over there. Front over here is almost fully graded out and ready to accept the turf. Got a ton of plants going in up the walkway over here. The muralists got about half the wall done yesterday, so that's looking pretty sweet.
All right.
Run out!
What the heck, man?
What's up?
The first thing in the morning, and then who do I see?
I just find it bad that I was
Happy
here before
face
both of
looking
you
at me
guys.
there.
This is not right. You guys are supposed to be here before me.
We are here before you.
In spirit, in thought.
In thought, in everything.
There you go. You got me a chainsaw, Dave?
Yeah, dog. I mean, that's fun. So, what else did I get? Oh, I got some new.
I left my.
I did get some new
Gorilla
stuff.
Oh, okay, I love new stuff. What'd you get, buddy?
Well, you know, I went and saw family.
Oh, okay. How they doing?
Real good.
Good.
If you're not doing good right now, then there's just something wrong with you.
I bet that was kind of
like
word for word.
The economy's always amazing at United Fast Food.
That's right. Look at that. Oh, you got some safety glasses?
For free, dog.
What?
I know, but to get them,
Oh, you know, how many hundreds did you have to spend?
to get them, I had to also get these.
What do we got there?
Well, these are nice.
Oh, I like
You
the
know?
clear.
Do you?
Yeah.
I haven't tried them on or anything. I got
Whoa, guy. That is the look. Yeah, yeah. Oh,
Well,
dude. You're either going to
you know,
hop on a Harley right now or you're going to be in a music video. I'm not sure.
What? Dog, we got the option.
Yeah. Look at those beautiful things. They got the turf all rolled out. They're going to give it a quick brushing before they put it in. So Nick's going to come in and turn his hexagon over here into a circle. So he pre-made this pattern here. Just gonna lay it in and jigsaw this entire thing into a circle. No more Star Wars Millennium Falcon. You can tell today's a serious day. Full crew tent over here. They even got director's chairs. Fully catered. This is like real production stuff right here. So Dave and I are jumping in right now. We're gonna finish this kind of entrance arbor. Current update for you guys. My camera has actually died. We are getting really close over here and vlogging on my phone, which you know I hate to do. We've had to make a design change here on the little entrance pergola just because we literally have less than an hour to go, and as you can see, the turf's not even in. Nick's still working on his little piece down there, and we are scrambling. This is what it's like. This is the corners I was talking about you're gonna have to cut. We're gonna come back after all is said and done and actually finish out the design on this pergola, but for now, in the essence of getting it filmed in time, this is gonna be our little change. Well, we gotta cut a few more logs out of this last telephone pole to complete Dave's crazy telephone climbing sculpture over there. All right, so you guys can see just how the trig works out. It's gonna be little ones attached all along the sides of each one of these telephone poles. Some cool, some interactive, but yet blends in with the environment because, you know, we're all about the environment here. Nick has successfully turned his hexagon Millennium Falcon into a nice radius, getting everything all sanded down nice and pretty. Got the boys over here working on the telephone log trick. Looking good, gentlemen. We only got 30 minutes left. Less than, really. We got less than 30 minutes. No problem? Not worried. All right, that's what I like to hear. You doing good, Kyle?
All good.
Looking good, buddy. Looking good. Just running their final pass here, compacting the base for the turf, and really the turf's gonna be the last step that goes in. But it's getting close. It's getting close. DG path is going in. The weed barrier is going underneath. Nick, you still having fun with this thing, buddy?
Yeah.
It's looking good, man.
I like the colors when you go through that surface.
There you go. So here's a little behind the scenes for you guys. It's crazy over here. We're getting the last little bit of details in. Essentially, we're done, so we're just jumping in and helping to clean up. And then over here, the crew is just casually relaxing. Just waiting. Last piece of the puzzle right there. Landscaper's getting the turf in. Nick's running around over here, hanging bird houses. The mural is almost done. It's amazing how well catered to the film crew is. They literally have a guy with like white gloves that walks around and hands out parfaits to the film crew. It's pretty impressive. I'm glad to see you guys made it down here. Looking great, buddy. Looking great.
Yeah, they have your vegetarian options. Pretty nice looking.
That's the finest in luxury buns right there,
I'm
buddy.
serious. These are really nice buns. Crazy hot or hamburger buns as well.
Well, only the finest of the best crew. You can eat on camera, buddy.
I know. No, it's gonna be a sloppy bite though.
Just go ahead. Just get it in there. We even got the coffee beans out there.
Oh yeah.
Love it. Where are you out of?
Santa Monica.
Okay.
Most of us came from LA. I think a couple of folks were local, but
Gotcha. Well, you definitely brought the spread. That's beautiful. Apparently, they opened the catering up to us, so that's pretty sweet. Got a bunch of the news channels showing up now. I think there's 2 of them here, getting ready for the big reveal. Good work, buddy. So we got the first piece of turf in. So weird being on this side of a production. It's like all the news stations have made it out. Hey guys, you caused so much commotion, all the news stations had to come out.
we're having these giant hot dogs. Well, it's not giant anymore.
What do you think, buddy?
I think I might go get one of those hot dogs. I want to go
I
see
think
what
you
the
earned
catering
one, man.
thing.
The catering's pretty nice down
He
there.
earned 2.
Getting all the last little final details done here. Got a bunch of mulch getting spread in the back over there. We just had a delivery of that show up. You know, I have to say, for a little last minute design change, I'd say our pergola turned out pretty good. It was supposed to have all kinds of crazy stuff attached to it, but once again, you know, the filming schedule was real tight, getting the kids here was real tight. So I've gotten as far as we can get over here. Apparently, the kids are coming. Figure screw it. So many big cameras out here right now. I'm pulling mine out. Feels nice to be back on this camera instead of my phone. But you can see production's getting ready to go. All the camera crews, the bus is on the way right now with the kids. What happened, Dave?
I don't know. Yeah? I went to go see if there was anything else I could find for you. I didn't find anything, but I found a sandwich.
No way, buddy.
Yeah, John, I couldn't believe it.
Congratulations,
I
man.
couldn't believe
It's the
it.
most you've ever eaten?
You know what? You're right about that.
I don't think
That's
I've
the
ever
most
seen
he's ever
Dave
eaten.
eat, especially during the day.
Well, I mean, you know, usually if we work, I don't really eat, but
Here comes the bus for the big reveal. You know, Dave, as the kids are coming off the bus, you know, that's really what we do it all for, ain't it?
It's all for the kids.
It's all for the nice shades, buddy. Nice
Right?
shades. I like them. I like them. Where you got them? Well, now that the cameras are gone, here's where the the real, I guess, work comes into play. Doctoring everything up. Obviously, everything had to kind of get staged to make it look good to be on camera. Now they're actually really getting the turf in. They kind of ran out of time, so all that's going to get done. The plants are going to get planted. Everybody's back hard at work now that everything's gone. What do you think, buddy?
dude, I mean, like, we're happy, they're happy. Just another victory all around, man. All around.
So hopefully you guys enjoy this little bit of behind the scenes of kind of what it looks like on like a HGTV set, I would say.
I would say it. I mean,
Definitely a lot of chaos, a lot of running around, a little hiding stuff for the cameras, and then, you know, at the end of the day, the camera crew walks away, but we're making sure we're staying to get everything dialed in and done right, you know? I think we did a great job, buddy.
Thanks, Nari.
I think you did a great job.
I think you did a great job.
I think you did a great job.
Well, I mean, you know, it takes both of us. You know?
That's fair. That's fair. All right, guys. So as always, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look. You guys know I love to bring behind-the-scenes stuff to you guys because, well, I enjoy watching that stuff, and there's not a whole lot of content out there like that. So I'll be the guy to bring it to you if I can. You know.
Well, I'm trying to do my part. You know.
And we bring you Dave because without Dave, we're nothing.
Well, I mean, without Dave, you're big trucks and like sweet warehouses and Bentleys and
Yeah, but see, they either get you or they get Chris in a video.
Oh, Chris is cool.
Chris has his low-key vibe, and then you get like, I'm here, aka Dave. You know, so it's two different things. But if you guys want to see more cool content like we try to provide for you, make sure you click the subscribe button if you have not already done so. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up for Dave. Thumbs up for Dave. We should make that a hashtag. Thumbs up for Dave.
There you go.
Maybe a shirt, a decal, something. Thumbs up for Dave.
Thumbs up for Dave.
I can see that becoming a thing.
I mean, Dave's kind of harmless.
Also, don't forget to check out workfortapparel.com. If there's anything you want in this life, I mean, if you want to accomplish a crazy park in 2 days time frame.
1.5.
1.5, really. Yeah, no, it is 1.5. You gotta be willing to work for it. So, as always, guys, thank you for watching. Dave, you want another one, buddy?
Yeah, I'll try another one.
All right.
Roll the outro.
Damn.